Want to triple your pattern making? We'll show you how in 3 easy steps. This is Eaton from ExactFlat. Part 1 is to scan your part. In this example, we're going to be using a sofa. Here is the sofa where we're laying down targets. The targets help the scanner accuracy in retaining position. And you can see when the targets are laid down, you simply point the scanner at the object, hit the trigger, and it scans in real time. It doesn't take very long. You have to make sure you get all the parts in the right angle. In this case, it took about 9 or 10 minutes or so, and we're done. Next part of the process, once you've got your scan, which we're showing here, is to convert your scan into CAD. And for this, we're going to be using our next technology. The next technology is called VX Model, and it is for transferring to 3D CAD. Here we go. In VX Model, we select our part. You can see there's our 3D scan. And our job here is to extract pattern pieces. To do that, we're going to trace the pattern boundaries. It's pretty simple. You can edit these points, draw them in. You don't have to get them perfect the first time. And once the pattern boundaries are created, we create our pattern pieces. And to create pattern pieces, we simply use the pattern boundaries that we've defined to select the edge geometry for creating a pattern piece. Once the pattern pieces have been created and extracted, we'll have a single piece. In this case, we're only going to do a single piece because we want to get through and show you the process very quickly. Now we save and export the part. And our last technology is ExactFlat. We use ExactFlat to create flat patterns out of 3D geometry. So first we're going to create a mesh for flattening. This just takes a few seconds in most cases. We're redrawing the triangles and optimizing them to eliminate wrinkles. Then we're going to optimize our fit. We use our pre-flattener for this. Get rid of the initial strain and sag. There we go. And you can see the pattern geometry has changed. Now we're going to optimize the fit and eliminate all of that strain and sag that you see there, or as much as possible within the constraints of the geometry in the part we're flattening. Here we're running a number of different algorithms here, searching for strain, searching for sag, and then redrawing the mesh elements in such a way that both are eliminated. And you can see for this piece, it just takes less than a minute or so. And once our patterns are done flattening, we create a DXF for cutting. And here's our DXF. So you can see, if you want to triple your pattern making, scan and color, transfer to 3D, and then flatten 3D to 2D with ExactFlat. This has been a presentation showing you the workflow and how to triple your productivity in pattern making. And if you have any questions, we will show you how. Just reach out to us. We're happy to talk. Contact Mark Jewell at mark.jewell@exactflat.com.